For the syrup, mix sugar, water, and rose water together, bring to a boil over medium heat until thickened, then set aside to cool. For the dough, beat the eggs until fluffy. Add yogurt, yeast, and sugar, and mix well until the sugar is dissolved. Then add oil and mix. Gradually add the sifted flour, knead with hands until the dough is smooth and uniform. Cover the dough and let it rest in a warm place for 1 hour. For the filling, mix chopped walnuts, powdered sugar, and cardamom powder together and set aside. After 1 hour, roll out the dough on a floured surface, spread melted butter over it, then spread the filling evenly over the dough. Roll it up, shape it with your hands, spread melted butter again, then cut into pieces. Place them on a greased baking tray lined with parchment paper. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. After baking, place the pastries in a serving dish and pour the cooled syrup over them. Garnish with powdered pistachios. Enjoy!